were running it as a side hustle, weren't you, at the start? As in, you had a full-time job and you were doing this on the side. So what was it like doing that? What would your advice be to other people doing that? Would you recommend that as a way to start a business?
Absolutely. I think starting a business as a side when you still have a full-time job, for me anyway, it worked really well because you don't have that pressure, the financial pressure, and you can just test your product, your business on the side. So there's no risk. And also it really helps shape who you are before you get into the full-time founder journey, because that can be really tough. And I think having the build up of the momentum and time blocking, the discipline, I found that really amazing. And because I was doing it on the side, I always have to be really prepared, like the night before, of what I'm going to do, because my full-time commitment, I would give it to my company back then, but over lunch, and then after hours I would stay and work. Obviously in the early days I didn't have so many emails, so it was fine, but as time goes by I had to be really strict with my time, and I found that really empowering, and it was building in the resilience and the self-respect that I have, that hey, I wrote down 5 critical tasks that I need to hit to win the day. And my winning rate was literally 99%. And I was yes, I can do this. So
Brilliant. I like
yeah.
that. You're right. It does give you the discipline, because you're right. You have to do it, don't you?